Every now and then I get asked, how do I upload a tower to the database? Well, me personally, I think it is relatively straightforward and simple, but some people can't seem to figure it out. But that's completely okay. Today I'm going to teach you how to do it, right? Easiest, quickest, simplest way. So first of all, just head over to the tower that you want to edit, right? And you need stats to upload them. It's pretty common sense. So let's see. Let's give this guy flying. Maybe with some lead. Why not? Hit the damage. 500. 500. Let's go 100. Why not? Now head over to JSON. It should see the copy to clipboard option or the export. But make sure that is in the new format, right? Because if it ain't in the new format, it ain't gonna work, right? It might work, but I can't guarantee like it is gonna be working because it is not supported. It is only for backwards compatibility with the old side. In any case, if it ain't enabled by default, just click it on. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the clipboard and head over to database. And here you should see the upload tower option, but before that, I extremely recommend you go to the guidelines and read everything here. Alright, please do this and don't upload anything inappropriate like racism or Nazi or something. Like, please just don't do it. It won't be as funny as you would think. Okay, so you need a random username, so of course I'll show you something. Make sure that it is exactly how it is. So my account is Gaboni, and here I should write it just like it how it says, right? Gaboni with a G capitalized right here. Not this, not this. Alright? It is case sensitive, so keep that in mind. For the tower name, well, I don't really know because, well, it is a tutorial after all, so Trapper. Description, we'll just type for a tutorial that I've made. Okay. Paste URL. Usually you would hit up an image URL, or you could use a Roblox decal. But I'd say a decal is pretty cumbersome, so we'll get a cat PNG, right? Let's get this little fella, and it should show up. If it has showed up, that means it is working, right? But let's say you don't want to, find images online. You want to upload it yourself, and yeah, you got two options: Phantom or Imager. Phantom, it is really good because I'd say your images will be up for as long as the wiki is still up. But Imager, it is relatively the same. Well, in case Imager just deem your image inappropriate or just go bankrupt and your image will be gone. But Phantom has this problem where it will force your resolution of the image to be at 200 pixels. So basically your image will look worse. Imager doesn't have this problem, so I recommend personally go to Imager. But it is fine we go to Phantom as well. So that's at the Imager. Hit choose photo or video, and now we're gonna get an image. I'll go with this one, the hunt. Now you should see a copy link here, right? But don't hit it. You should right click on the image. Now you should see a copy image link or something along the lines of that. Hit it. Go back to the browser. Head back to this. Paste it. And you should see that the link has an eye here, right? And the image showed up. So that means it is completely working. Now for tower data, paste whatever you copied earlier. Or you could upload a file or link a blog post. A blog post is very, very hard to make. So unless you have one, don't use it, right? Just stay out there. Now for the tag, this is a rebalance after all. albeit a quite unbalanced one, but that should be fine because this is a tutorial. Now, hit submit and you should be sent here, right? Now, don't do anything here, right? Just hit paste, nothing else, alright? Just click the paste button or Control V. Nothing else, nothing less, just do that. Unless you know what you're doing, then you're, of course, free to modify or edit it. But otherwise, please don't touch anything, alright? After that, you should see Save Changes. So hit the Save Changes button. And there we go. Should load everything up. Now, hit refresh because you're not gonna see your towel up here just yet. You're gonna have to hit refresh. Even then, it doesn't show up, does it? Of course not. You're gonna have to go to the unverified tag. And there we go. You should see it. Trapper. Just made it and it's right here. Okay, sure, it says 10 minutes ago, mainly because I forgot to record last time, so I have to record it again. Okay, anyways, so as long as your tower is appropriate and it follows all the guidelines, you should be fine. At least I believe that you should be fine. Right? Who knows? Maybe you won't get verified because I don't know, I fucking died that day. Anyways, that should be it. Nothing more, nothing less. It's relatively simple, and I hope you enjoy this editor that the community have contributed